Yeah, I'm
Okay.
fine. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking.
Yes, yes.
So,
And we are meeting first time. Yeah. First of all, please introduce yourself.
yeah. Yes, sure. My name is Neha and I'm originally from Madhya Pradesh. Right now I've been living in Gujarat since 2018 as my husband is working here. I'm blessed with one daughter. I have completed my graduation BTech from IT and I'm homemaker right now. And my hobbies are watching TV, cooking, and reading. That's all about it.
Yes, yes. It is good to know about yourself. It is my turn. May I introduce myself?
Sure.
First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Shantanu Das, and by profession, I am from West Bengal, and by profession, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. Apart from also, I am running my one YouTube channel, which name is English Fit SD. That's all about me.
Yes. I just get to know about your channel and you upload the conversational videos. So may I know apart from conversational videos, what else contents do you upload on your channel?
Yeah, I upload the conversational video every single day.
Okay. That's great, sir. That you upload the conversational video, so we can get motivation from your videos and some of other videos that nothing is impossible. Everyone, if who desire to do anything, then anything could be happen, and nothing is impossible. So that's great, sir. I am also in a learning stage, and I am also trying to learn this language. As we all know that it is a global language, and how essential is this language today in today's era. So we really want to communicate with people all around India and across India also. So I think it is a common language. So we should know how to talk in English, how to communicate with people in English. So I'm also in a
Yes,
learning stage, sir. Yes,
yes, you
sir.
are right. Actually, English is an international language as well as the communication language. Yeah, to communicate each other, to
Yes,
communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is neutral language also. Right now, say you are from Gujarat, you are living in Gujarat, you have your own native language, but I don't know your native language. But I am from West Bengal, but Bengali is my mother tongue. But you don't know my native language. Yeah, but after learning English, we are talking each other, we are connecting each other. That's why
right,
also English is
right.
connected language. Yes, yes.
Right. That is the beauty of the common language that we can communicate with any people. If we are not in our state, if we are in other state like in south state, in west state, so it is good if we know English. Then we can ask for help. If we need anything, then we can easily convey our message to others. So that's why, sir, it is very must nowadays that we should learn English and we should, if we are educated, so it means if we are educated, so we should know how to communicate in English because taught we have taught English as well. But the difficulty is that when it comes about speaking, so we all time we get stuck and we fumble. So I realized that I can understand and read English very well, but when it comes about speaking, then I stuck. I run out of vocabulary, and many of the problems like hesitations, lose confidence. So these problems occur with me several times. So I thought let's work upon this and let's enhance my communication skill.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, when did you start your English speaking journey?
So it's been 15 days when I started
Okay.
my journey. Yes, sir. Well, sir, I
But
can
just
easily
15 days.
understand. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
just 15 days. Just practicing only 15 days, you can speak English very well. But how did you learn this language?
But actually, I'm very passionate about this language. As I realized that I'm not able to convey in English, I'm not able to articulate myself. Then I have one daughter. She's only 1.5 year old. So I don't have that much time that I could read or write something. But whenever I get a leisure time, I try to listen more and more. So that's the only part. Apart from having conversation, I am only listening English contents. So these are really helpful for me.
Yes, yes. And you're right. Also, listening is the most important part. Listening and speaking is the most important part for learning English. And ma'am,
Yeah.
you earlier, did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking
No,
English?
no, 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 sir. No.
Yes, yes.
It's been quite a
College.
long time since I completed my graduation. I am married since 2018, and I'm just leave my study before. So it's quite a long time. Since then, I didn't join any coaching institute. I just realized that I should work on my skill. I should upgrade myself, whether I'm a homemaker. So, but we need to upgrade ourselves time to time. So that's why, sir.
Yes, yes. And when did you think you have to learn this language?
Yes, sir. Actually, whenever I watched many conversational videos, then I realized that if someone is not able to speak fluently, but still they are trying to speak, still they are just trying to speak and they are learning. So why should not I? So I that then I thought, okay, I should also learn and speak as well. So gradually, I will learn this language. It will not happen in one day, but yeah, it will take time. But if I will be regular and consistent, then definitely one day I can speak fluently. So after watching
And
conversational videos, the idea came in my mind that I should also have conversation with people. So I would also know something about their culture, something about their journey, how they learn this language. So I could also include these all things in my daily life and improve myself.
yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. And just practicing on only 15 days, you are also speaking very well. There is no doubt. But I'd like to ask one question to you. When at the beginning time, when you started your English speaking journey, at that time, what kind of method did you follow for your speaking English?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, when I started, I just came to know about the Joe Stock app. So I'm passionate about speaking, but I don't have any environment. I was thinking that with whom I can converse in English. That here are everybody and they are not able to speak English. So then I just get to know about the Joe Stock app, and I used to talk them on a audio call. So then I realized that I can. Initially, I was very fumble and I was very. I was very less confidence. Means I'm feeling very less confidence. But gradually, I thought that I'm also capable to speak in English. Then, but I'm not that much regular on this app. But yeah, when I started talking on this app, then I realized there are many learners who are talking in English and they are learning their self. So then I started through there, and then I have started video conversational cause audio and videos are completely different. If we connect with people on a video call, then our confidence is also become boost, I would say. So
Yes, yes,
just yes, sir. So because of that app,
yes,
I started my journey, and I yes, sir.
yes. Okay, it is nice. And ma'am, you have completed your graduation, but in which subject did you complete your graduation?
Yes, sir. I completed BTech from IT. BTech from IT, Information Technology.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And right now also you are living in Gujarat. Before also earlier also you were living in Madhya Pradesh. But how many states did you visit in our country?
Mm. Sorry, sir. What did you ask?
Yes, I am. How many states did you visit in our country?
Okay. How many states, sir? I usually visited UP, Agra, Delhi, and Goa. And Gujarat, I've been living here, and MP. So I never been in West Bengal or never been in West side or in the south side of the country. But yeah, north side, I can say that it's Uttarakhand, UP, and Goa and Gujarat. That's all.
Yes. Ma'am, what is your native language and how many languages do you know?
My native language is Hindi and I only know Hindi. Right now I'm focusing on English so I can understand English very well. But yes, I'm learning it and I try to speak in English more and more so I can communicate with this language easily.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
but tell me
And
something about yourself, sir. What motivates you to run a YouTube channel and when you started your journey?
yes,
Tell me.
I have been running my YouTube channel about 5 months.
Okay.
But I have been learning English for a long time. I have been learning English for 1 year and 6 months. But I have been speaking English about 8 months. And I have been learning English for a long time because there is another reason. Because when I was starting in my school life, when I was starting in class 8 standard and 9 standard, at that time my English was not good. And at that time I was very weak English subject. And at that time also I could not write one sentence in English properly. Yeah. That's why also in this time when I am working person and whenever I get free time, I always try to learn English. In this time also, first of all, I have cleared the all grammatical rules, and after complete the grammatical rules, I started my English speaking journey. In this time also, I can write properly. There is no problem in my writing, but I can't speak properly. That's why also I'm practicing right now.
Okay. Yes, sir, because this is happens because we know that speaking comes only with speaking. So
Yes,
the
yes,
more we speak, the more we become fluent. Because we write and read, this is the part. But when it comes about speaking, then we just don't want to come out from our comfortable zone. We think that no need to speak in this language if we are not very comfortable. So we just
yes,
procrastinate talking in English. But yes, sir, I have realized that whenever I speaking it more, then I am getting much confidence over this language. So the
yes, yes, definitely.
only thing is that we have to speak, whether we are comfortable or not. Just we have to
Yes,
speak. So then only there is no any shortcut. So we need to do a hard work. Sometimes yes, listening, reading, and writing also helps to improve this. But speaking comes only by speaking. Cause we never speak in this language. It is not our mother tongue. Mother tongue. So we have to just uh, what to say. We have to just speak and speak. So our mother tongue become habitual speaking in English.
yes, yes, you're right.
Most of the trainers told me that you have a mother tongue influence. You don't speak professionally or impressive English, but then I thought, okay, I will work on this also. I will also try to improve, try to speak clearly so everyone can understand it. So it's of course only speaking is not important, but speak clearly is important. So the other
Yes,
person
yes,
can also easily understand what we are trying to say. So this
yes,
is
yes.
also so
Uh,
I am just working on my this pronunciation and accent. I am working on my accent also.
yes. Actually, English is not my mother tongue. It is second or third language also maybe.
Right.
Yeah. And, and in our locality, there is no good environment for speaking English. No one speaking English at our home. No one speaking English in our locality. And that's why also I have to face a lot of problem. And ma'am, I am asking one question to you. Do you have any partner? Do you have any friend who is willing to learn English in
No,
your
sir.
locality?
No, no,
Yeah.
no.
And when did you join in this application?
Skype.
Yes.
Skype, sir. Actually, I was conversing with one of the tutors, so she was saying just install Skype. We will converse on this app. So it's recently, before 1 week, I installed this app. Then I gradually come to know about many YouTubers with whom I can converse. So I just approach them and having conversation with them. So they also give me some tips that how to overcome with this problem and that they just they get to know about my problems, that where I am making some difficulties. Some they told me that you need to work on its grammar, you need to work on your accent. So they just tell me my weaknesses, and I'm just working on my weakness part. So I just
Yes,
came
yes,
to know about.
yes. And my next question is, what do you think? Is English grammar important for speaking English?
Yes, sir. Actually, initially I don't feel like that grammar is important, but whenever I'm speaking it more and more, then I realize there uh, whether I'm speaking, but I'm speaking a wrong sentence. Grammatically, I'm
Yes,
making a error. So then I realize no, grammar is also equal, and even we can say that grammar is most important part of learning English. Cause if we speak,
yes,
but if we speak in a wrong way, then so sometimes I realize no, we should work on grammar also, then only
yes,
we
yes,
can construct a sentence correctly and in a proper way. Yes, sir,
yes,
so
yes.
grammar is
Actually,
important.
actually, English is not my mother tongue. That's why also English grammar is important. And your native language is Hindi. And do you know grammar of Hindi language?
No, I don't know, because I have a environment everywhere. I'm
Yes,
talking
yes,
this
yes,
language since my childhood, so I don't need to learn grammar grammar rules of Hindi language. But yes, sometimes I can say that if we want to speak a simple language, like if we want to speak in a simple grammar, like grammatical sentence, then it is easy. But if we want to speak like passive voice kind of sentence, so we need to learn
okay.
grammar.
Yeah. Actually, you without grammar, you have learned your native language because in your
Hmm.
home, in your locality, there is a good environment. After listening and
Right.
speaking, you also learn your native language. But English, there is no one, there is no good environment in English language. That's why also English grammar is important. Yeah, in my point of view also.
Right. Right. Right.
Yes, yes.
Right.
And
Yes.
ma'am, you have visited many states. Right now, also you are speaking very well. There is no doubt. But before speaking English, you have visited many states in our country. And have you did you face any problem to communicate other people in another state?
Yes, sir, definitely. Actually, we know that there are many tourist places and there are tourist guide. They are able to communicate in English very well. But as I don't know how to communicate with them, but a little bit I know, so I can approach them. Just okay, tell me. I can understand what they are saying, but I can't speak them. So I realized that if they people they are not that much educated, but they learn this language because it is just a language, and we should not consider it as a subject. So it is a
Yes,
language,
yes,
and any language we can learn easily. As I am living in Gujarat, so Gujarati is her native language. So if I want to learn that language, so I can also learn. I need not to learn their grammatical rules and all. I just listen and speak, so I can learn Gujarati as well. So English is also just a language, so we should consider it as a language, and we should work on this. We should listen and talk, listen and talk. This is the only method that we can and
yes, yes.
overcome with this problem. Yes, sir.
Yes, and a few minutes ago you have told me you also like reading. You also like reading, but what kind of books do you like reading?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm right now. I'm reading The Power of Subconscious Mind. The book name is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. The author is Joseph Murthy. So I am reading that book. But yeah, that book is quite helpful for me. And earlier I read some more books like Chetan Bhagat's book, Chetan Bhagat's novel Two Stats, One Night at Call Center. So those books I have read, and these are also
Yeah.
helpful to collect vocabulary. So if we want to collect vocabulary, so we should I think read.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, right now, so you are living in Gujarat, and what is the famous place in Gujarat?
Yes, sir. Actually, I've been living in Ahmedabad, and there is a Statue of Unity near Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
It is in Barodra, near Barodra. So Statue of Unity, you know very well. So Statue of Unity, and in Ahmedabad there is a Sabarmati Ashram, Gandhiji Sabarmati Ashram.
Yes,
It is
yes,
quite
yes.
famous
I know.
here. Yes, sir. So yes, so Sabarmati Ashram, Kakaria Lake, and Statue of Unity. These are places are quite famous here. And some of our Akshardham, Swaminarayan temples are most famous here, mostly visited place. Yes, sir.
And in Kolkata, in West Bengal, and most of the people are Bengali person. In our locality, the famous sweet in Rasagalla is Sandesh is famous in our state. Yeah. And what is the what food is famous in your state?
Oh, sir, have you ever been in Gujarat? Have you ever visited in
No,
Gujarat?
no,
No, so sir,
no, no, no. I
here's
have never.
dhokla. You may have heard
Dhokla.
about
Yes,
dhokla, khakra,
yes, yes,
fafda, jalebi, khandvi. These all are Gujarati dishes. They are quite famous here, and people just love these dishes. They take these dishes occasionally, so they are quite famous over there. But I don't like at all because they are quite sweet. I think they add sweet. They add sweet in each and every dishes they make. So dhokla, khakra, these all are famous.
yes, yes. Ma'am, what
Mhm.
is your hobby? What is your goal?
Right now, my goal is to become fluent in English, to become English speaker, fluent, confidence English speaker. I want to speak publicly, confidently, so no one can make fun of me. And I just this is my aim. And my hobbies are listening English podcasts and English conversational videos. Sometimes watching movies, reading. These all are my hobbies.
Yes, yes. All right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking about 20 minutes. Yeah, you're speaking very well. Yeah. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.